What's up, guys? We are in here. We are in here. Are you guys alive? Are you guys in here? So yeah, we are in here, guys. What's up? What's up, guys? Are you guys good? Imagine, baby. What's up, guys? What's up? Are you guys good, man? Comment down below if you are in here. Comment down below if you are in here. Yeah, potato gaming. We conquered yesterday, no? We conquered yesterday, bro. We chopped yesterday. Ooh, you also chopped nicely. So today it's another chopping day. Who's here for the chopping, man? Who's here for the chopping, boys? Come on, Mayberg. Hey, doing well, thanks. It's been a while. Come on, why haven't I seen you? It's been a while. Why haven't you been joining the lives? Are you trading cryptos or not at the moment? No, but next year we are I am gonna be opening my crypto portfolio, because I believe like that's more like long term. You get me? So I was looking at Bitcoin. I was checking if I'm still doing research if it's the proper time to buy Bitcoin. You get me? Like just with a lot of money and just yeah. So I'm just checking it and checking if I can get that BTCU. That's where we at. We don't negotiate with the market. Never did. Never will. Never did. Never did. Never will. Um, we never did, bro, and we never will. I have had some hectic storms and power issues, but all is well. Let's make some. Yeah, why not? Why not? Why not? Um, Also, please follow me on Instagram if you are on this live. Follow me on Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, I join the best community in the fucking world right now. Join the Pub Boy community, right now. I see two people commenting, but 8 people in here, bro. You know what's the craziest thing? As soon as we, as soon as I catch a trade, then it's questions. Where is TP? Where is SL? Guys, man, BT is going to dump. I'm still looking into it. I'm still looking into it. I'll drop a proper, review on it. I also want to check. I haven't checked technical analysis, right? But I just want to open a good portfolio and hold it for the longest of times. You get me? Maybe for 2 years. You know. That's why I believe crypto trading or crypto is like more long term. And you get me? It's more long term. Also depends on how the stocks move or the markets move, whatever. It's more long term, right? Not with FX. It can be long term depending on the trader that you are. You get me? But you can make a buck quick, yeah, and you can lose it quick as well. Before we get started, I just want to insist and just let you guys know that this is not financial advice in any way. I do not hold an FSP license. I am not regulated by the FSEA. I do not give out any signals. What I do on this live here is very, very risky. And if you do what I do on this live, you will lose money. You will lose money. This is a very, um, risky thing to do. So, um, this is only for This is almost said for financial purposes. This is only for educational and entertainment purposes. No financial advice whatsoever. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the live. Whatever you do on this live is at your own risk. And yeah, I'm just gonna do my thing on my screen, and I'll tell you guys what I do. If you follow, you follow. If you don't, you don't. That's at your own risk. I did say this is not financial advice. So on that note, let's get started. Fire emojis before we get started, man. Fire. I need those fire emojis before we get started, boys. Today we have CPI, boys. So what you guys saying? BTC, the Euro Pump. What do you mean I'll get a live band? By swearing? Fire emojis before we get started, boys. Guys, yeah, this is for financial purposes. It's not in any way for financial purposes, boys. But yeah, what I wanted to say, what else did I want to say? Not financial advice. Yeah, but it's in the disclaimer as well. It's in the it's in the disclaimer. It's in as a disclaimer when it starts, when it ends. It's in the description as well. So it is not financial advice. Please, someone texted me yesterday. I don't know what the hell is going on. Someone texted me yesterday saying, what did that person say? Saying, yo, tell me more about your VIP group. And I'm like, huh? VIP group? He's like, yes. Um, I, I have like a. He told me he has like $100 or something, and he wants to join my VIP group, signal group. I'm like, bro, I give out signals. I didn't know. I didn't know, bro. So what is the prediction for CPI? You have to stay here to know the prediction for CPI, boys. You have to stay here, bro. You'll come back. You're gonna end the life. We're not gonna study until CPI, but you'll come back for CPI. I can't say for now. Maybe we'll dwell into it as we analyze, but for now, it's just a matter of patience. As you can see, we are trading below this resistance zone. It seems like we are breaking structure to the downside, so that could mean that this is a very strong zone, right? Also, with news coming in today, we want to see if the zone is gonna hold or what. Yeah. So yeah, today is gonna be interesting. I hope London does not consolidate, bro. Let's quickly check the daily before we move on. Um, I'm in love with the daily so far. I think I kind of like how the daily looks. The daily went to go retest that zone. Let's just CPI could be a no-go zone for me. I understand why. So you see the zone. This is not the zone on the daily, right? This is the zone that we are looking at. You see, this is the first touch right there. Second touch, we won't I won't regard that, but you can also see I'm looking, and when we talk about touches in this scenario, right, I'm just only referring about one candlestick as like the daily. Okay, I'll also count this one as well. I'm only talking about one candlestick, right? I'm not talking about so that touch, and then there's daily candlestick, right? There's daily candlestick. I always tell you that, guys, this, right? I always tell you guys this. When a this is a strategy that you can incorporate in your trading. When what's this, a candlestick breaks through a key level, right, the next candlestick is most likely going to retest that key level. You get me? And then this is what we did with that daily. We went back up. We went to go retest that key level right there. So that could possibly mean that we are gonna go to the downside, possibly, right? Yeah, possibly for today. All right, and I talked about this way before. Like it's very simple how like how you can like, man, I wish, why don't I use these strategies, man? Like the most basic things I ignore them. I want to go do the complicated stuff. No, don't give me key levels, give me fair value gap. You get me? But okay. And also the thing about key levels, if you are gonna trade key levels, you are gonna hey man, you know I speak to Powell, you know, I speak to Jerome Powell like that. So one thing I don't like about key levels is, or one why people don't trade key levels, is because of, you know, patience, the patience. You don't have patience for price to go wherever. You get me? It's just a lot of things. So right now, as we can see, a lot of consolidation right there. Chelsea fans forever. Let's go footballogy. Let's go. If you haven't liked the live, please do. If you haven't subscribe, join the community. Join the community. CPI will spike accounts. Hey man, thank you. Thank you. CPI ski. Yeah, CPI is gonna be interesting, boys. We're trading it live. You know what? I just want to say, like, for the past two fundamentals, bro. Every time we tried going live, it was bullshit. I don't know what's happening. Like, it was just a lot of technical issues in the chat. Let's get, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you haven't liked the live, like the live. But yeah, let's see what's happening on gold right now. We are gonna hop on. It's time to work. Like I said, I do believe that we are still gonna go to the downside. So a good entry right now would simply mean I'm gonna hold it throughout the day, and you guys know what it means when I say that. So if I can get a good entry right now, then I am gonna hold that entry throughout the day. Yeah, and that's just what it is. That is just what it is. You feel me? You smell me? Okay, back to the 1 minutes. Consolidating right now, as you guys can see, right? Just a lot of BS going on right now. A bunch of consolidation, but it's alright. It's alright. So far, any questions, anything that you guys wanna ask? While we wait, we're waiting for like just a few minutes. Just a few minutes, you know. As we always say, patience is key. Telegram, telly. Yes, sir. Just like. Guys. Man, I just want to say, yeah. I just want to say, let's give a W to Juicy Potato. Um, he flipped a nice amount yesterday. Um, yeah, guys. And also, I advise you, if you come to this live just for, I don't know, in hopes to execute trades, that won't be a good thing, right? Also come just to learn and whatever. Knowledge is power. So knowledge is power. So if you come here to learn, rather than just wanting to, you know what I'm talking about. Hey man, yeah, bro. Bro, some guy on Instagram told me yesterday that the things that I do for free on the live or wherever, man, like people charge charge for things like that. People charge to teach you support and resistance, man. People charge to teach you trend lines, bro. Yeah, man. If you're a beginner, I suggest I think taking notes is the best thing if you are like getting started. If you have a good memory, you can just watch. But I think I have a mixture of both. Now I just watch something once and I understand it. I don't know. Maybe it's because I've been, I've been working on this shit for a while. So I just when I see something once, I already know. Like I know I don't need to go back to it. Let's see what gold plan is. Um, New 5 minute candlestick. I will put boy SVG Kid here. Shout out, man. Yeah, guys. Also, SVG Kid has been also has been here from the start, bro. From like March, I think March April. This is like when I started going live with Put Boy and whatever. Um, he's been here, bro. You can also attest that I've been giving free lessons every night for like 4 months. Every night I made a team. Was it team? Yes, I think it was teams. I made free teams lessons for almost for 3 months. Every night we would have lessons. We would have market breakdowns, um, and also give out signals with, in those time in that time. Alright, we're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. Right now, it's basic. If you are here every day, you know what's going on, right? You know what's going on if you are here every day. We are trading below, within this range, right? We're trading between this range right now. A breakout could possibly mean that in whatever direction we break out could possibly mean that we are gonna continue in that direction, right? So for now, it's just best to monitor what market is doing right now or what it's trying to say instead of just um, taking a trade in the zone is very risky, right? So a breakout below, we could scalp it to the downside. We'll just see what happens, or how it closes or whatever. Okay, breakout. Man, but it's too early to to actually sell right now, bro. It's too early to sell now. The best in the game, Purple forever. I wish, brother. I wish I was the best. You know. But thank you so much. I appreciate that. I'm still working on becoming better every day. I did say that in approximately a year or two, I want to enter the Robbins Cup, man. I want to test myself there, but I'm still not where I want to be. In terms of, I still believe I can do better. What I'm doing now is just the bare minimum, I guess. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Be patient for the setup. Don't rush the setup. Wait for it. Um, let's just check what the plan was. If we broke below that, that could have given us something, right? Also, our entry model for London might be messed up because of news that we have today, right? So we might have gold acting up today because of the news release later on. CPI, are you guys ready for CPI, man? Did you guys I told you guys, I give you guys one of the best brokers to trade with, to trade news with. You can execute your position like seconds, literally 10 seconds, 5 seconds before the news release. There won't be any off quote error like you usually receive with your other brokers. And also you get 100% deposit bonus, right, which means they match your deposit. Whatever you deposit, they'll match it. So if you deposit like a let's say $100, you will get $100 deposit bonus. So in total, your uh your equity will stand at $200. Yeah, so make sure you do the right thing. On the CPI, is there a spike? I can't say if there's a spike or not, to be sure. Might be there, might not. That usually a spike is there when there are a conflicts of events, like, you get me, a lot of events happening at the same time, and a lot of data coming out, like different data coming out, right? That could influence, um you know um yeah, equity 200 larger margin, open gang trades, bro. Could also lose all of that as well. What do we want? Like, usually when there's a spike, I don't know if people look at this, but it's because of a conflict of events, right? And how the data is coming out. But today, um hey man, spike no spike, I'm still going in. I'm gonna risk what I want to risk. um yeah, I live for this. And then tomorrow we have PPI. So interesting day today, boys. Interesting day today. I see a lot of people are saying buy on TikTok. This might be a breakout trade right here. This might be a continuation to the downside, but it could also be a fake out. So I don't want to risk it right now. I'm just gonna chill with it. Because we can also say this is the true zone. You get me? So I'm still not chilling. I'm still not convinced. However, it might go down from here. But are you guys good, man? Are you guys good? Did you guys subscribe? $105 subscribers. Shout outs. Let's get to 110. 110 actually. Okay, maybe should have, but should have, could have, whatever. That's a breakout. Damn, boys. Look at that drop right there. We could have capitalized on that. Mm. But I wasn't really convinced. That's why I didn't take the trade. But usually I would have. But in terms of zones, that's the reason why I didn't take the trade. Could have been in. Nice. Now scalping to the downside. So who's trading CPI? Comment down below. To everyone that's trading CPI today, comment down below. Everyone that's trading CPI and comment down below if you're not trading CPI as well. If you are trading CPI, comment down below. Common neighbor, definitely trading CPI today. Interesting. I hear you, ma'am. Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Who else? Hey man, could have been a trade for us. Because it's so sad. You are trading CPI. Shout out, man. Shout out, 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 shout out. But it's not over yet. You get me? Yeah. It's not over yet. Okay, mitigation into that FVG. Let's see what happens. A possible retest there could mean short for us. I don't like the momentum right now, to be honest. I do like it, but I don't like it. Let's look at the daily quickly. What the daily is up to. The daily rejecting like crazy off of that retest zone we spoke about, right? Okay. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Let's see if we can get a retest and then possible move to the downside. So potential sell right here. Baby. 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 Why do you keep ending the call? Why do you keep ending the call? I don't we'll talk. Hmm? No, I'm just live. Let's see what happens right there if you are gonna hold. Hey man, doesn't seem like we are gonna hold. Doesn't seem like we are gonna hold, boys. But okay, still short. Nothing really, nothing really. Yeah, this is the last one. This is the last one for the, you know. So let's see what happens here, boys. Let's see what happens with this one. Let's see what happens with this one. Are we gonna get an entry, boys? I'm tempted. Ah, man, that could have been also an entry for us. But we'll just wait for the mitigation of this one. You get me? You feel me? Okay, I'm ready. I'm getting ready. I might execute a trade now. I'm ready, but I just want to see what's happening. I don't like the inverse FVG we created right there. Like, what the hell is up with that? I don't like the inverse FVG we created right there. If you haven't subbed, subscribe now. If you haven't liked the video, like the video now. That inverse FVG, bro, is a scam. The only reason why I'm not entering a trade right now. Come lower, boy. If we must this one, boys, then we must two. We must two already. Let's see. Yeah. That's what we want. We wanted to go lower still. Go lower. How many pips you want on this one, guys? How many pips you want? Mitigate. You know what? I would get in a position right now, but that inverse FVG makes me nervous, bro. So I'm just gonna chill and see what happens. Yeah, I miss it, boys. Seems like we missed it, boys. Seems like I missed it. Might be coming back. Might answer. But nah, the only thing is I would have entered. I don't like this inverse FVG we created right here. There's a bearish inverse family gap we created. Nah, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan, boys. So that's the reason why I didn't answer. I'm not a fan of that. GBP USD. Goddamn, this thing dropped yesterday like crazy. Alright, this one. Alright, guys. Hey man, I would have liked to take a trade there, but it didn't give me what I wanted to. So I'm gonna end the stream and we're gonna come back during New York. No, sorry, during CPI in New York. So I'm not gonna, rush a trade because I see this FVG is the one that fucked us up. I would have liked to take an entry there, but at this point it is what it is. Any questions before I go? I'll come back during CPI. Any questions before I go? Hey man, later, bro. Alright, no questions. So I'm gonna end the live right now. I'll see you guys later on. Yeah. If you are in the group, you be notified whenever I go live again. Peace out.